It rained today. This monochromatic look is inspired by the motions of the sky. I figured the color of the sky today would create a beautiful look for the eyes. This look will look great in all eye colors and all skin tones. Let's start. I always start by applying concealer on my dark circles, and as you can see, I'm applying 5 dots under my eyes, and using my ring finger, I'm going to blend it out. This method is most effective for me because if you apply too much concealer, you'll end up over blending. Next, apply foundation. I use my Maybelline Mineral Powder. Fill in your brows for a polished look, and I like to start by tracing the bottom of my brows, and then gently working my way up at the front, and then working my way backwards again. Softly shading in the sparse areas, and then brushing the hairs in place. So now I prep my eyes so it's ready for eyeshadow. Don't forget to apply on your lower lash line as well. The first eyeshadow that we're going to use is a light sky blue color, and you're just going to apply a very light wash all over the eyelid. Now taking a grey eyeshadow, I'm going to apply it along my crease. You want to softly blend out the grey so it feathers upwards. Now taking a white eyeliner, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid like so. Now I set the white eyeliner with a white eyeshadow. This will also intensify the white. Now taking a greyish blue eyeshadow, I'm going to create contrast by applying it on the crease again. And as you can see, I'm using a pencil brush so it deposits more colour. And then after, I would use a blending brush to feather out the colour. Now taking a deep plum colour, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm going to define the eyes even more by applying navy on the outer V of my eyes. As always, highlighting my inner corners. Now I apply black eyeliner on my upper lash line. I purposely applied the ends thicker. Using a black pencil liner, I'm going to line my waterline. Apply mascara and add false lashes if you want more drama. Now our eyes are complete. I want my cheeks to remain understated but also glow at the same time, so I apply a Sheen light pink blush. Smile and apply in U-shape motions. Next, I'm going to briefly line my cupid's bow and the base of my lips. And lastly, applying a nude salmon pink lip gloss. And now our look is complete. I don't know about you guys, but I actually really love the sound of rain. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, which was inspired by the clouds in the sky.